Now I want to navigate through my rooms, and it is very easy to go on to the following slide, but there's no way I can go back, and certainly I don't want the users to see the open door. So how do I do this? I go back here. I'll need some links to the preceding walls. So you can insert a shape. I'll insert an arrow here. All right, I'll make it a bit more visible by adding a background. Great. Now I want to have the same arrow here in order to be able to go to this wall here. So I'll right click. As you can see, you need to use Control and C in order to make a copy. So Control C and Control V here. Right click this and rotate it. Right? And you can do the same here. So Control V, Control V again, right click and rotate. So now you go back to the first room, right click your arrow and add a link. As you can see, you can link the arrow to any slides in your presentation. So I want to link this particular arrow to the following slide and apply. What about the next one? The next one will be here. So link. I want this to be linked to the fourth wall. So I'll link it to slide number 4, which is this one, and apply. Now the next one. I want this slide to be linked to the previous one. So here it is. Link, previous slide, and apply. Now I want this to go back to this one. So Control V, right click, link, and slide number 1, and apply. Here we are. Let's go back here. I'll start the presentation, and here I can go here, and I can go back, and I can go to the bookshelves here, and then I can go to see the door. This is it.